In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an item receipt in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a little refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open your browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Simply click on the sign in button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Once clicked, it will prompt you to choose the platform. Make sure you select QuickBooks Online from the options listed. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means your email or username and password. Type them in, double check to ensure they're correct, and hit continue. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks homepage, which serves as your command center, letting you manage your finances with ease. From the homepage, your next step is to locate the New button. This button is usually placed prominently on the interface, and by clicking on it, you'll be able to access a wide array of options. One of these options will help us adjust inventory quantities, which is part of creating an item receipt. After clicking on New, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to navigate toward the Other section. It's here that you will find Inventory Quantity Adjustment. At this point, go ahead and click on Inventory Quantity Adjustment to proceed to the next screen. Once you are at the Inventory Quantity Adjustment page, it's time to add the product you received. This is a crucial part of the process, as it ensures your inventory records reflect the stock you have on hand. You should see a field to add your product, type the product's name, or select it from the list if it's already been entered into QuickBooks. With the product added, the next thing you need to focus on is the quantity. Enter the quantity adjustment for the item you've just added. This means typing in the number of units received. Double check these numbers for accuracy, as ensuring the correct adjustment is key to maintaining precise inventory records. Finally, after you've entered the relevant information and are satisfied with the accuracy of your details, it's time to save your work. Click on Save and Close. This action will update your inventory records and complete the item receipt process. And that's it. Making an item receipt in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know your way around. Remember, keeping accurate records is vital for your business operations, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a refresher. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and with practice you'll be navigating QuickBooks like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.